Hello, it's Meng. Today we're making Sai Gok Isaan from the northeastern region of Thailand. This is a garlicky, slightly sour sausage that's great with a cold glass of beer. We'll start with a package of hog casing and we'll prepare it by following the instructions on the back of the package, which usually involves soaking and rinsing them. Next, in a food processor, I will add half a cup of coriander, 5 to 6 kaffir lime leaves, and a bunch of garlic, about 20 cloves. Process this mixture until it's fine and then set some of the mixture aside. I'll be using about 4 pounds of pork. Half of it are pork butt and the other half are pork belly. We'll process this with our garlic mixture in batches until we get a rough mince. We don't want it to be too fine. Transfer it into a large bowl. We'll add cooked rice, salt, sugar, any remaining garlic mixture, MSG, some white pepper, and a little bit of pink curing salt. We'll give this a good mix. At this point, you can use any machinery or sausage stuffer that you may have. I'm using a handheld sausage jerky gun that I've had for years. It's really simple to use. Just thread the hog casing and then stuff it. What I like the most about it is that you can have those large chunks of fat. Twist the casings to form links, or if you plan on hanging these to cure, use some kitchen twine. I will let these cure on racks in a dry place for 2 to 5 days until it gets to the desired fermentation level. And you can cut off a link and cook it just to give it a taste. You can cook it by grilling, pan frying, or as I'm doing now, baking at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and voila! Enjoy! Thanks for watching!